Okay, here's the beginning of the backhoe adventure. So you got it started. Do you know how to go forward a little bit?
Nope.
Yep. So the forward pedal. Do you need to? Yeah, you do need to lift the scooper a little bit. Oh, you did drive forward a tiny bit?
Yeah.
Okay. Not right now. So the throttle.
Did they give you any type of instructions?
You'll take it, you'll turn it a tiny bit to the left, but you really don't need it very much. That choke should be down.
That choke?
Yep.
The writing's off.
Okay. As long as you didn't pull it up, that's fine. So you'll just, did you turn that, pull that throttle a little to the left? You pull it up a little bit? Yep, just slightly to the left. Okay, you gotta lift that scoop.
You put it down. You have to go backwards. Yeah, you put it down. You have to put it out. No, you keep doing it out. I need to go backwards.
Yeah, can you reverse? Yep. One can hope we're dismantling correctly. Okay.
I want to ride it.
The backhoe adventure begins.